Hi students, today we will learn English. Class 8th standard English book. The first chapter is The Best Christmas Present in the World. So let us discuss about why the best Christmas present in the world is given in the book, this first chapter. We know the best means the good things, means good, better, best. Best is the both of bhala. The Christmas, why the people are celebrating? Christankar Janmada, the birthday of Jesus Christ. All the world, in the world, everybody is celebrating for the joyful manner. Many people are celebrating this festival, Christmas, in order to get happiness, satisfaction in Christmas time. They are preparing some gifts. This gifts called Santa Claus. So one packet they will make, and they will share some, those who are not able to get anything, poor person and their relative and their friends, like this they will make some gift, like this picture I am making. So like this some gift they will make. Okay, so this Christmas time they will give their happiness through the gift only they will share. So here in the present, in this world also, now also the people are celebrating the Christmas. So before knowing this, let us see what inside the story is given. There are some date and period of the time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. The story you will read mention one such date and events: a war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? So here the date, period and time is given. Very important to everybody. Date, without date we cannot be celebrate, we cannot be know the our birthday. There will be some birthday, we know the mention the date, and whenever we will go we can underline in our calendar also, because of the date is very important. And the period means one in school there are 6th period, 8th period is like this, because of period wise the student and the teacher will go for the teach. So here the time, everybody knows the time, everybody wants time. So in timely we can study, timely we can play. So here very important to know the time and the period and the date. So history are always they are mentioned the date and the place and the name of the place, name of the people. So here let us see significant. What do you mean significant? Means तात्पर्यपूर्ण, गुरुत्वपूर्ण विषय लिखाई था. Everyone knows about this one. If not mention, example BC, before Christ, so many king and kingdom conquer the king are. So here before Christ there was some king was there. Like this here very important to know the date, period and time. The story will read mention the such date, events, war and so what happened, the Germany and the British and Germany, the war 1914. Can you guess which war? So British and Germany, they have this first World War is called 1914. So 1914, between the British and Germany, they have made the war. So here now let us see. Now, do you know which event the dates refer to you? Here 4 July 1776, B 17 December 1903, C 6 August 1945, D 30 July 1948, 12 April 1961, F 20 July 1969. The answer are given 23 page. After the paragraph, we will discuss about this one. So here let us see. I spotted it in a junk shop in Badport, a roll-top desk. Look at it very carefully and take your finger also. So what? I spotted in a junk shop in Badport a roll-top desk. A man said it was early 19th century, and I had wanted to one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll-top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended, scorch marks all down one side. It was going for every little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk. I challenges, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom. At the back of the garage, I began work on it to Christmas event. So here the poet says that I spotted it in junk. Spotted means what? The चिन्ह गुड़िक जो थिला चिन्ह युक्त हाँ चिन्ह गोटे थिला सेटा कौन जंग शॉप गोटे शॉप रे से माने बार्ड पोर्ट इन द रूल टॉप डेस्क बड़ गोटे डेस्क थिला सेठारे बार्ड पोर्ट ए रूल टॉप डेस्क गोटे थिला द मैन सेड से कहला आई वाज इयरली 19th century 1900 वर्ष पूर्वे गोटे काठर ओक गोटे काठ कठिन काठर गोटे डेस्क गोटे थिला से चाहूला आई हैड वांटेड वन मु चाहूली बट व्हाट हैपेन दे आर फार टू एक्सपेंसिव मु चाहूली यहाँ नेबाई किंतु यह अधिक परिमाणर मूल्य देवा हुए बोली दिस वन वाज इन ए हार्ड कंडीशन इन ए बैड कंडीशन दिस वन इज ए बैड कंडीशन तापर देखला जे एटा गोटे बैड कंडीशन बोले खराब परी देखा जाउछिला बैड कंडीशन द रूल टॉप इन सेवरल पीसेस से डेस्कटा द रूल टॉप डेस्क सेवरल पीसेस सेवरल ने भिन्न भिन्न खंड खंड होई देखा जाउतिला पीसेस वन लेग्स स्क्लोमली मीन्स व्हाट स्क्लोमली मीन्स स्क्लोमली अबाज्ञा देखा जीवा भल देखा न जीवा स्क्लोमली सो हियर स्क्लोमली मेंडेड व्हाट डू यू मीन मेंडेड से मरामती करने से चाहूला मेंडेड स्कॉच मार्क्स मीन्स से गोटे चिन्ह गुड़िक थिला जो गंधिया है सब ଅସନା ପରି ଦେଖା ଯାଉଥିଲା। ସୋ ସ୍କଚ୍ ମାର୍କ୍ସ ଅଲ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ୱାନ୍ ସାଇଡ଼୍, ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ଼୍ରେ ବି ଥିଲା। ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଗୋଇଂ ଫର୍ ଭେରି ଲିଟିଲ୍ ମନି। I thought I could destroy. I would be a risk, a challenges, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on the Christmas event. This man want to repair this box and he want to keep with him. To how much is money will take, he can arrange and he can pay for this repairing this box, the roll top box. And he want to I began work. He want to begin the work the Christmas. ଯେତେ ପଇସା ହେଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ବକ୍ସକୁ ଆଣିକି ରିପେୟାର କରି ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟମାସ ସମୟରେ ସେ ବ୍ୟବହାର ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ। So here some important words means hard words. Spotted, ମୁଁ କହିଲି saw it, found, ସେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଲା, found it. Scotch marks means ଯେଉଁଟା burn marks, ଯେଉଁଟା ପୋଡ଼ା ଦାଗ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ। Was going for, was selling, ବିକିବା ପାଇଁ। Destroy, repair, ତିଆରି କରିବା। Repair, correct and rectify, so many words is there. So veneer means a thin layer, ପତଳା ଗୋଟେ ଲେୟର ଥିବ ଟେବୁଲ ଉପରେ, ଯେ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ ଅର ଯେଉଁ ମଇଳା ପରି ଯେ ଥାଉଛି। ଟେକ୍ ଦେୟାର ଟୁଲ୍ ଅନ୍, ଯେଉଁଟା ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ୍ ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ଟେକ୍ ନେବା, ଫିଙ୍ଗିବା। ଟେକ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋକ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ, ସାଉଟ୍ ନାଇଟ୍। So here stroke means ଡରିଯିବା। I removed the roll top completely and I pulled out the drawer. ଯେଉଁ ଲେୟର ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ completely, the veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Okay, look at once again. I removed, ସେ ସବୁ କାଢ଼ିଦେଲା, remove to top ଯେଉଁ ଉପରେ ସବୁ ଥିଲା completely, ସବୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଉପରେ କାଢ଼ିଦେଲା। ପୁଲ୍, ଝିକାଝୁକି କରି ଅନ୍ ଦ ଡ୍ରୟର, ଯେଉଁ ଡ୍ରୟର ଭିତରେ ଥିଲା। ଦ ଭିନେର ମିନ୍ସ what? ଭିନେର ମିନ୍ସ ହୁଇଚ୍ ୱାନ୍, କାଠର ପତଳା ଆବରଣ, ଭିନେର କହିବେ। So here given the veneers. So lifted, lift means ଉପରକୁ ଉଠାଇକି almost ସବୁ କାଢ଼ିଦେଲା। It took like water damage to me, ଏଇଟା ପାଣି ପରି ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ୍ ହେଇକି ରହିଥିଲା। Both fire and water had cleanly taken their toll on this days. Both ପାଣି ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁଟା ଭସ୍ମ, ଯେଉଁଟା ପଡ଼ି ଯାଇଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ବି ଥିଲା। The last drawer was struck fast. I tried all I could to easy to out gently. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଯତ୍ନ ସହକାରେ ସେଇଟା କାଢ଼ିଲି, ଆଉ ଆରାମରେ କାଢ଼ିଲି, କ୍ଲୋଜ୍। In the end I used to brute force, brute meaning cruel ଭାବରେ, ଫୋର୍ସଲି ଝିକି କାଢ଼ିବାର ଅଛି ଯେଉଁଟା ବାହାରୁନି। So I struck it and sharply. Struck, ସେ ଡରି ଯାଇଥିଲା। struck means what? ଭୟ କରିଥିଲା, ଡରିବା। struck, ଡରିଯିବା, terrified। struck it sharply with the side of my fist and the drawer view. Open to several and shallow space underneath a secret drawer. There was some things in there. So when he searching something, he search, ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହାତ ଭିତରେ ପୂରେଇକି ଦେଖିଲା, and ସେ ତଳେ ସବୁ ଦେଖୁଛି ସେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି କ'ଣ। I reached in and took out of the small bag in tiny box. When he was searching inside the box, he got the small bag in the tiny box. पर छोटो box गोटे पाइला। Cello tape to the top of it was pieces of link, naughty paper and written on it in से पाइला सेलो टेप घोड़ाई थिला टॉप ऑफ द सेटा थिला पीसेस लिंक्ड एंड नोट पेपर सब लिखाई थिला लिंक एंड नोट पेपर गुड़ी थिला सेटा लिखाई थिला रिटन ऑन इट इन देन स्काई हैंडराइटिंग मीन्स व्हाट एते भल अबागिया हैंडराइटिंग भल नथिला पूरा स्काई हैंडराइटिंग भल हैंडराइटिंग नथिला सो तापर कौन है जेम्स लास्ट लेटर रिसीव्ड January 25th 1915 15th to be buried with me when the times comes I knew and as I did very important so last letter से रिसीव कला पाई January 25 1915 सेतले से पाई to be buried with me when the times come I knew as I did मु जतले मरी जीवी सेते बेले ए लेटर सहित मते बुरियल करे मते पोतीबा पई से कहिथिला ता स्वामी के कहिथिला जिमिस हस्बैंड ही वाज द आर्मी मैन it was wrong for me to open the box but curiosity got the better of my scruples it usually goes wrong सेटा मु ओपन करिया पई इच्छा कर नथिले किंतु गोटे मोर आग्रह प्रकाश है क्यूरियोसिटी एरा भल नथिला मु बाहर करिया किंतु क्यूरियोसिटी मोर जानिया में बहुत इच्छा थिला तेणु मु बाहर कली स्क्रूपल्स इट यूजुअली क्लोज स्क्रूपल्स मीन संकोच बद्ध है मते इट यूजुअली डज किंतु एटा मते बाध्य कला काढ़िया इनसाइड द बॉक्स देयर वाज एन एनवेलप द एड्रेसेस रेड से भितर से बॉक्स भितर एनवेलप थिला आ एड्रेस मध्य थिला मिस्टर जिमी मैक्स पर्सन से कौन थिला मैक्स पर्सन his husband her husband is Max Persson 12 copper means what copper means there is a copper is the bronze copper एला गोटे धातु निर्मित गोटे थिला copper तंबा so copper and copper then okay so there was a envelope and address भी थिला सेठी मैक्स मिस्टर जिमिस हस्बैंड मैक्स पर्सन्स 12टा तंबा थिला मुद्रा परिकोण बीचेस मीन्स व्हाट बीचेस मसृण छाली बीचेस मसृण छाली जेटा कि नॉर्थ अमेरिका रे सेटा फॉरेस्ट्री रे लाइट ग्रीन लिप्स नॉर्थ अमेरिका रे एटा देखिबा को मिले जो पत्र से भीतर भी थिला तो ए कहानी नॉर्थ अमेरिका रो सो ग्रीन लिप्स सेठी थिला गुडा बीचेस द बर्ड पोट एंड डॉर्सेट से डॉर्सेट मध्य थिला तो टू आउट द लेटर एंड unfolded it सेटा फोल्ड करा है it was written in pencil and date at the top of December सेया पेंसिल द्वारा लिखाई थिला top of the December 26 1914 scruple what the meaning scruple feeling that make you hesitated to do something wrong scruple I have said odia scruple संकोच समथिंग रंग एटा भल ना छुईवाई स्क्रूपल कंपेनसेशन चेक सो लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड द ऑथर फाइंड इन ए जंक शॉप सो व्हाट डिड द ऑथर फाइंड इन ए जंक शॉप वेयर द आंसर इज फर्स्ट देयर विल बी फर्स्ट ओके सो वेयर ही गॉट हियर फर्स्ट वन गिवन I spotted it a junk shop. Here we can find out the answer will be here. Okay. Next question. What did he find in a secret drawer? How do you think had put it in there. What did he find? कौन से पाइला ए सिक्रेट ड्रॉयर रे कौन थिला से भितरे. What do you think had put in there? से पाइला पर से भितरे कौन लेखा ही थिला. You can get here. Inside the box there was a envelope and it एपट भी अच्छी second para. It was the wrong to me. The box, open the box, the curiosity and better the. So here inside the box the envelope is I have got this one. No problem for you given. I have made for this question answer and you search and try to write the answer and you can through the WhatsApp you can send to the school. Okay students, thank you very much. Have a good time. Okay student, let us discuss our question answer. What happened? The best Christmas present in the world. Class 8. What happened? The question, look at see. Let us see. What did the author find in a junk shop? Look at there. The answer is given. The author found a 19th century tool top desk in the junk shop. Okay. Then what happened? It was made of oak. The tree ba wood eta तैयार होता काठर तैयार होता. It was in a very bad condition. एटा बहुत खराब भी थिला. The roll top was broken into several pieces. एटा भंगा रुंजा भी हो जाइथिला से बॉक्सटा से डेस्कटा. One of the leg was clumsily mended and there were scotch marks down one side there. Author brought it in order to restore it. So what happened? It is a author चाहूला कि सेटा मु रिपेयर करिया पई मु से निष्पत्ति नहीं थिले. तो लेट अस सी द सेकंड वन. What did he find in a secret drawer? कौन से secret drawer पाई थिले. How do you think had put it in there? कौन तुम्हें जानी छो से भितरे कौन लेखाई थिला कौन थिला. Okay, first one. The author found a small black thinny box in the secret drawer. Okay. There was a paper sellotape to its top, its side. Jimmy's last letter received January 25th, 1950. Okay, this answer. So what happened? How do you think had put it in there? Answer what given here? To be buried with me when the time comes. Most likely it was put there by Mrs. Jimmy. Okay, let us. So, here what happened? To be buried. ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମରିଯିବି ମୋତେ କ'ଣ ସେମାନେ କବର ଦେବ with me when the times comes. Most likely it was put there by Mr. Jimmy. Max Parsons, who was Jimmy's wife. Here, name and addresses were on the envelope inside the box. ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମରିବ ସେ ସମାଧିରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି କରି ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଲେଟର୍ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ. ଓକେ, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.
Maybe.